So today I'm doing this video from my shop here in Floyd, Virginia. This is where I usually do my YouTube videos, and I haven't actually done any YouTube videos since Helene. I've been focusing so much on North Carolina and all the people down there, so my whole YouTube woodworking videos have been kind of pushed aside. But thankfully I have been able to use my social media and my platform, whether it's Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, to raise money. When I first went down there, I went down there just to help a couple families, thinking that I could go down there for maybe a week or two, come back with my excavator, and that was it. For me, it was like that. It was too hard for me to leave that area, and knowing these people were still hurting, knowing these people weren't getting any money, and I've been going back as much as I can. I have got some serious donations from local companies around Southwest Virginia who have given us things. I have been in contact with people in North Carolina who are still hurting and still need so much. So I just want to thank everybody who has been giving the donations and helping us with everything that we're about to do down there. Now, starting next week, I'll be going down to tear down one of the homes and to clean up the other one where it burnt to the ground. And we are going to start digging foundations and start building these homes. However, we have raised a lot of money. So I started out on my small platform and raised a little over $30,000. Recently, you may have seen a video I did with Dr. Eric Berg. Dr. Berg is a good friend of mine. Him and I have been working together for the last couple of years on other things, and he has stepped up and put this on his platform. He's been very concerned about what's going on down there as well, and thankfully he's been able to put out a video, and we're going to be putting out several other videos and just letting people be aware of where these people are in North Carolina, because they're not much further than they were just a few months ago. So I just want to thank all the local contractors who are going to be coming down with me and building these homes. I want to thank all the people from all over the world who have been helping and donating, because now it's all coming through me, and I'm going to be the one going down there and really focusing on who needs this money the most. And we're going to help them get through this winter. We're going to help them get to January 20th, and we are going to make sure that we do everything we can for these people to help a little bit. I can't fix everything. There are so many people like me down in North Carolina right now. There are so many companies from all over the country down there working for free and doing everything they can. There are people bringing buildings down for people to stay in temporarily, just to get through the winter. We can't all build homes within a month or two, but we are all putting these packages together, and we are all getting ready to come in there. Unfortunately, it's all hitting right now during the holidays, but we are coming. And like I say, I'll be down there. Follow me on my Facebook, because that's what I'm using to show people all the good of the people. This country is just amazing when it comes to something like this, how we are just all working together. And I am just so proud to be a part of it. It's not me doing this all by myself. I have your support, and I have all these other people behind me. So I want to thank everybody for the donations, and stay tuned for what's about to come, because we're coming and we're going to help.